You will always be special, not because you're in front of me. I assure you, I know how it feels, but then I am really very glad that all of you are working together and here. Para sa akin ho, yung disability, hindi yan kakulangan. Yan ay isang challenge para sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo, sabi niya, despite the problems that I have in my body, that would not restrain me. Hindi yun pwedeng pigilan ang pangarap ko at pagpupursige ko sa buhay. Dahil kaya ako ginawa at dumating sa mundong ito, dahil kung anong meron ng isang normal, walang problema tayo, wala tayong pinagabi dahil pare-parehas tayong mahal ng Panginoon kaya tayo narito sa mundong ito. We are always grounded on different programs. Sa pagbabalik ko ni Doy at ng Team MBS, pangako ng Sangguniang. In fact, I'm grateful to the Sangguniang Panlunsod led by Vice Mayor Bim. Sila ho makakatulong natin and I am actually confident na yung pangangailangan ng mga PWD, magsabi lang po kayo yung association ninyo. Of course, nandiyan si Madam Juby. I will always be hindi drawing. Tuto pa rin. At kung ano yung kailangan, sabihin lang sa akin. Gusto ko lahat kayo may Orange Card Plus. Sinabi ko na to, Juby. Gusto ko lahat kayo meron. That sabi ko, in the city of Calapan, health program should not be an opportunity. Hindi ito isang oportunidad. Ito'y inherent right. Ito'y karapatan ng bawat isang taga-Calapan. Kaya sabi ko, lalo na kayo na lagi may pangangailangan, gusto ko pati mga gamot yung pangangailangan ay masagot doon. Kaya gusto ko meron kayo noon. I assure you that some other programs like ang ayusin natin ang bayan, tulungan niyo ako ipanalangin. Hindi ko na kayo hinihinga ng masyadong effort para tulungan nyo lang ako ipanalangin that I am really enticing and encouraging everyone na lahat ng taga-Calapan ay tumulong sa isang pangarap ng isang Doy ni Mayor na ipagmalaki natin. I know someday our leaders will come and definitely will go. I do not know until what time, until when will I be here. But I assure you, as long as Doy is our Mayor, we will always try hard and we will deliver all programs. And I assure you, in the years to come, in the years ahead, we will always be proud that someday, nagsama-sama tayo to make this city better.